Hey guys, welcome to i2Lab. Today we will teach you some tricks about GB WhatsApp and WhatsApp transfer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Tip 1. How to download GB WhatsApp. Step 1. Google GB WhatsApp. Step 2. Go to gbwhatsapp.download.com. Step 3. Tap download link. Step 4. Allow GB WhatsApp file to be downloaded. Tip 2. Restore chats from normal WhatsApp to GB WhatsApp. Firstly, back up your WhatsApp to local and uninstall WhatsApp. Do not clear data. Then following the steps below. Step 1. Go to internal storage to search WhatsApp file. Step 2. Rename WhatsApp file to GB WhatsApp and rename WhatsApp animated GIFs to GB WhatsApp animated GIFs, and same as other files. Step 3. Save them. Open the GB WhatsApp on your device and it will ask your phone number to verify and then restore the backup. It is found. Tip 3. How to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone. Launch WhatsGo and select WhatsApp transfer. Connect your Android and iPhone. Then the program starts to transfer WhatsApp. Go to i2lab.com to explore now.